So light. Wow. That is massive in the middle. The cheap remote. Screwdriver. Look at that. Cheap remote. So double the price for the same image. Ooh, it's got battery. The phone holster. That's better than the version 1. Or the antenna. There's the joystick. Guide. Let's open this puppy up. Ooh, new orange tips. It feels longer than the version 1. And the arms are longer too. More stability in flight. And there she is. Pop this thing off. Maybe. Jeez, that's so... in there. Come on. I feel like there's something caught. I don't want to break it. The most sensitive part. There we go. This crap. Remove before use. That's about to break the gimbal. She is f1.7. E24, does that mean 24 millimeter? I don't know. Nice, nice, nice. Hopefully it works. Got more sensors than a Tesla. Charge and activate battery before use. Guess I can't fly it right now. Where's the battery? Oh, what the heck? That is so light. Wow. It really is ultra light. Alright, that's the unboxing, I suppose.